Gates open, they're up and racing. Wondrous Windrose for your lead. Chekong's Best is sneaking in. Down on the inside is the favorite. Perfect timing, Dandino. Tony P, then by the rail, Ebo, and Tucker's Diamond is now running at the tail of the field, heading towards the last 900. Perfect timing, being joined by Wondrous Wind on the outside. Racing in third is Tony P, then comes Chekong's Best, running by the rail, Dandino, Ebo, pass approaching on the outside is Tucker's Diamond, as they rounded the last 600. Perfect timing, followed by Wondrous Wind. Tony P now moving up on the outside, is sneaking in down on the inside is Chekong's Best. As they race at the last 450, it's still perfect timing. Tony P is on the outside. Chekong's Best moving up by the rail. Tucker's Diamond, Wondrous Wind, then moving up is Ebo, and down the stretch they come. Now we have Chekong's Best, perfect timing, once again on the outside. It's perfect timing, running by the rail, Chekong's Best, Wondrous Wind, and finally at the finish line, Randy Llamoso on perfect timing. Second, Tucker's Diamond, then comes Chekong's Best, Ebo, and Tony P for your Pentafecta.